Welcome to Daily Discount Channel. Before we continue with today's discount, please subscribe and enable notification on our channel to get updated discount products every day. For today's discount, we have Samsung Galaxy Note 8 N950 factory unlocked phone 64GB midnight black renewed. Original price, $499.99. Discount price, $284 per January 1, 2021. Make sure to check our website for the latest prices and discount. Here are some highlights of this product. Fully unlocked and compatible with any carrier of choice, e.g. AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, Verizon, US-Cellular, Cricket, Metro, etc., both domestically and internationally. The device does not come with headphones or a SIM card. It does include a charger and charging cable that may be generic. Inspected and guaranteed to have minimal cosmetic damage, which is not noticeable when the device is held at arm's length. Successfully passed a full diagnostic test which ensures like-new functionality and removal of any prior user personal information. Tested for battery health and guaranteed to have a minimum battery capacity of 80%. For more details about this product, please check the link below. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to Daily Discount Channel for more videos like this.